In Germany, it's a tradition that, or not tradition, it's very common that parents name their children after angels. But from the Sunni Muslim,
angels.
Yeah, like my brother's name is Raphael, and but by the Sunni Muslim, when I first became Sunni Muslim before I became Ahmadi, they told me that it's wrong and it's not allowed in Islam. Is that true?
No, it's not wrong. Of course, you can give any name to your child which is not idolatrous in nature. Any name, whether it has a meaning or has no meaning. And those who love certain angels specifically, or angels in general, they give their children the name of the angel, because every child which is born has to be given a different name, so the names of the angels are differently used by some people. I know a family among Ahmadis who the father gave every child the name of a different angel. Israel, Jibreel, and so on and so forth. So it is common among Ahmadis, not common, but it is found among Ahmadis that the angels' names are given to the children. We have one, Ahmad Jibreel Saeed, from Ghana. Very good Muballigh, mashallah. His name is Jibreel. Right? Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Why is this resonance coming again and again?
They put the speaker too loud so we can hear it.
Why can't you tell them not to do so? Appoint ladies who have sensitive ears rather than deaf ladies. And the doors should be closed. It's their responsibility. The door of their studio should be shut, tightly shut. The door in between this studio and theirs should be tightly shut. And this door, then it's impossible for any voice to reach here. But
it's our voice coming from this room.
Huh? Acha?
The voice we're hearing is from our voice from this
So
room.
it is still your room?
Yes.
You command this room, do it. And with that the time is over.